Hey there YouTube, what's going on? My name is CenturyHornet and welcome to another one of my YouTube videos. YouTube, I welcome you to my very first plane spotting compilation at Toronto Pearson International Airport, also known as CYYZ. Here, this is compilation / operation number 1, where me and my friend Spence have taken an operation to CYYZ to film the 4-engine afternoon heavies, which include the Hainan Airlines A346, the Emirates A380, and the Lufthansa A346, disregarding the Lufthansa A343 that would come earlier in the afternoon. Well, YouTube, please like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy my very first plane spotting compilation at Toronto Pearson International Airport. Here we go.
No, it's Air France! It's Air France! Alright, Air Canada 777. Hainan Airlines A340. Hainan Airlines A346. YouTube, that was Hainan Airlines A346 taxiing into Terminal 3, Pearson International Airport. Alright YouTube, A380 is sighted. I don't know, I can't really see it because of the sunlight, but it's right there. Right behind this Embraer 190. They've already given it a 3-mile separation. It's A380 Emirates. EK 241 Emirates. That's an airplane. EK 241. Lufthansa A346. Oh, go around, go around, go around. Oh, I never captured one of those before, guys. That was a go around because there's an Embraer 190 taking off. All right, Lufthansa back. A346.